Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Get the vibes out there. And if you're able to make a contribution, that would be great too. If you enjoy these videos, please help support them. Thank you. Today is Thursday. The vibration of Thursday is the giver, in the East known as Karma Yoga. Giving, giving, giving. Giving, giving, giving. Is it always giving, giving, giving? Is it? No. It is not always giving, 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 even on a Thursday. It's giving when appropriate, giving when appropriate. Because if we're giving, 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 giving all the time, what happens? We just dissipate our energy. We may be giving at the wrong time, in the wrong place, to the wrong people. There's a lot of people who are takers out there. And they will just deplete you of your giving, giving, giving nature. Especially if you have this in the spiritual part of your blueprint. So how do you know? How do you know when? Well, you feel expansive when you give. If it feels expansive, if you feel lighter, if it opens you up to give, then cool. Then that's what you do. If you feel heavier and heavier and like that, that's an indication that you should not give. Do not give in that circumstance. When you feel like that, that's the wrong thing to do. The right thing to do then is to say no. Givers must learn how to say no. They must learn how to say no. Nicely, nicely. Learn how to say no. Nicely. And when that's appropriate. Because sometimes saying no is the best form of giving. Thursday is also about the sense of smell. Smell. I'm smelling some wonderful champa incense right now. It's sweet. It's heavy. It's, have some nice, sweet smells in your life today. Some nice, sweet scents. And it'll put you in touch. It will put you in touch with Thursday. Even the O sound puts you in touch with Thursday. the 5th puts you in touch with Thursday.